In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the Instagram repost button being missing. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's actually very easy to go ahead and fix this. All I want to do is go ahead and open up Instagram. Now you can do this on iPhone, Android, anything like that. And all I want to do is on the bottom right, click on my profile icon, because let's say if the repost button's missing on any post that I see, whether it's a video, an image post, anything like that, it could be really annoying. So on the top right, I'm going to see those three little lines. Go ahead and click on those. Now, once you're here, all you got to do is scroll down until you find how others can interact with you. And then you're going to see a few different options here. All I want to go ahead and do is go and click on sharing, which is the fourth option. And then where it says what people can share on Instagram, just make sure these are both enabled, where it says stories that they're mentioned in and story shares. This is going to allow you to basically go ahead and repost anything. You might also get an option that says sharing and reuse. And then if you have sharing and reuse, you want to basically press reposts on posts and reels. You want to go ahead and enable that. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other videos that we've been posting over on the channel as well.